Imagine a 15-year-old student with no laptop, no coding background, and living in a town where no one even talked about AI. That student was me. My name is Anand, and now I am 16-year-old, and I am the co-founder of Codemaster Zone web application, and I am an AI developer. I had dreamed to build something big using technology. I used to watch YouTube videos of people building apps, launching their startup, and doing amazing things with AI. I have wondered how do they even start. I didn't go to a big school, I didn't have a mentor, my English wasn't so perfect, but I had something powerful. It was my desire to learn something, and it wasn't easy. There were the days when I felt lost, days when I thought I wasn't smart enough, but I told myself just start one step at a time. And after my journey was carry on this. So in today's video, I will share you how I started my journey in artificial intelligence, which we called AI, from absolute zero, and how you can do the same thing. The video is for the beginner, for the intermediate, and for advanced too, because in super language. And so let's get start the journey of artificial intelligence. So first, what is AI? AI means artificial intelligence, which gives machines ability to think, learn, and make decisions. Just like how I saw voice assistants like Alexa and Siri, and how YouTube becomes the perfect next video. That's AI. It's not magic, we can say it. It's a smart coding and data, and yes, you can learn it too. So the biggest question of your is why you should care about this all things. Because you should care because AI is shaping the future, from solving medical problems to making the smart cities. AI is everywhere. I realized that if I didn't start today, I have been left behind. That one thought has changed my life and everything for me. So, and you know what? You don't need to be topper or rich. You just need curiosity, patience, and belief in yourself. So, how do you start this journey of artificial intelligence? Yes, the exact path I followed, and I have divided this path in 7 steps. The first step is to learn Python. I started learning Python from free videos of YouTube and many YouTube channels. I had never read no fancy books, just daily practice of Python like loops, and I play with the else statements, and I wrote many programs, and I have made many websites using Python. So Python is very friendly and very easy to learn for a beginner. So I will prefer you to start from the Python. So step 2 is learning the basic mathematics, like topics like algebra, calculus, trigo, and many other topics. So first you start with any programming language. The second step is to start or learn mathematics, and don't learn the mathematics like you learn in the school, that you are only just mugging the topics of mathematics and you are not remembering their topics, you are not understanding their topics. Don't study mathematics for bringing the marks, because marks does not carry in the world of AI. So learn the basics, and let's move into the next step. Afterwards, learning the mathematics and Python programming, step 3 is understanding the AI topics. One, I was comfortable with that. Two means that programming language and mathematics. I started exploring on machine learning and neural networks and deep learning and how it works. I used channels like Code Basics and 3 Blue 1 Brown, and I started my journey from this YouTube videos. So you can too do this like me, and you can just copy it, just copy and just paste. And the step 4 is to building the projects. I first built small projects like building image classification, image recognition. It was not so good, but it was mine. So, and every one of them boosted in confidence. So step 5 is to learn tools and libraries. I learned about tools like Google Colab and Jupyter Notebook, and libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Skitlearn. These are the weapons of every AI warrior, and it sounds like it means it is very hard, but trust me, it is very easy to learn, and it is very easy to start your journey with Python. So let's move to the step 6. Step 6 is to join the community. I joined many Discord servers, subscribed to newsletters, and followed AI creators on Twitter and LinkedIn. I had a GitHub account which I share my projects. So being around like-minded learners kept me motivated, and you will be motivated if you start and if you join the community of the future leaders, future tech leaders, we can say it. Step 7, stay consistent. Last but not the least, even on days I felt unmotivated, I just opened Collab and ran a small code snipped. Small actions keep the journey alive. Remember one thing in your mind, that the goal is not to do everything at once. The goal is to keep going and focusing on one thing. Now let's speak me straight from the heart. Even expert you admire, you see in the YouTube, they were once a beginners too, because the only difference is that they didn't stop, and neither you should. So I didn't understand everything at the first time, but I keep going again and again. And you know that growth comes when you continue even when it feels slow. So make this promise today to me, not to yourself, that start small and stay consistent and rise higher. And last tip, to use free resources like Google's AI for everyone. Join the communities in Reddit, LinkedIn, and in Discords. So and afterwards share your progress in blog, GitHub, or even YouTube channel if you had it. So just 1 hour a day can truly transform you from your future. No pressure, just dedication, and can upgrade you by 1% every day. So just start it. And so if I can do with it limited tools and zero experience, then you can too. This is your sign, this is your moment. Don't doubt and just start your journey in AI today. Smash that like button, subscribe for more beginner friendly content, and I drop a comment if you are ready to take in the first step in the world of AI. So last statement is that believe in yourself, the world is waiting for your ideas.